Goochie's cocktail channel. Tonight I'm going to show you how to make a toasted almond. This drink is really easy to make. It takes about 30 seconds and you only need 3 ingredients. You need Kahlua, you need amaretto or an almond liqueur, and at the very least you need milk. Traditionally this recipe does call for a half and half mixture, which is equal measures of cream and milk, but tonight I'm just using milk. I don't have cream in the fridge, and honestly it doesn't make that big a difference. The drink still tastes amazing without cream, and it's better for the hips. To make this drink, we need 1 shot of Kahlua, 1 shot of amaretto. I'll make you a little bit of a mess. And 1 shot of milk. Then put my lid on and we shake. And we are done. See all that lovely foam on there? Amazing. Now we're going to pour this into a fancy glass. I'm just using a tea strainer. We don't want any particles of ice in this drink. And voila! We are done. This is a toasted almond. Cheers. And remember, happy hour is the best hour of any day. Yum. I love this drink. I love the combination of amaretto and Kahlua. It's so tasty. If you haven't had one of these before, you really must try one. Unless you don't like almond essence, then you're probably not going to like this drink. Alright guys, I'm eager to wrap this up because I want to have the rest of this drink. So, if you want to see me, Goochie, make more cocktails, please make sure you give me a thumbs up and you subscribe to my channel. I'll catch you next time. Bye!